The Poco M8 series, which include the Poco M8 and M8 Pro. Poco will launch its M8 5G series phones in India on January 6, 2026. The Poco M8 and M8 Pro are rebadged versions of the Redmi Note 15 and Note 15 Pro Plus. The M8 and M8 Pro will arrive in black, blue and silver shades. The Poco M8 Pro will have a 6.83-inch OLED panel that offers a 1.5K resolution and up to a 120Hz refresh rate. Include an in-display fingerprint scanner, dual speakers with a Dolby Atmos rating, and an IP68 rating. The phone could be powered by Snapdragon 7's Gen 4, 12GB RAM with 512GB storage, and feature a 200MP rear main camera coupled with an 8MP ultrawide. The front has a 32MP sensor for selfies. It has a 6500 mAh battery with 100W charging. Charge at up to 100W. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.